The Rabbinic Shalom has given us a gift, COVID-19 vaccines.
Vaccines are allowing us to reopen and to enjoy Simcha safely again.
With all the data that has emerged, we clearly see just how safe and effective the vaccines are across populations,
including the elderly, those with underlying health conditions, and pregnant and nursing women.
Due to so many people being vaccinated, the number of hospitalizations and deaths decreased greatly since the vaccines were released.
But the numbers of COVID-19 cases are spiking again.
In June, 100% of people who Rahman al-Islam died from COVID-19 in Maryland were unvaccinated.
100%.
Unvaccinated people died.
The Delta variant is 225% more transmissible than the original virus.
Now, responsive over 80% of current cases.
Baruch Hashem, vaccines are effective against the variant, keeping those vaccinated people, out of hospitals and from losing their lives.
Let's all feel comfortable davening in shul.
Take achrayus for your neighbor's health.
Protect yourself and them by getting vaccinated.
There is unfortunately a lot of misinformation circulating.
It's important to know the truth.
After over a year of research, clinical trials, and the actual vaccines in use,
we see no evidence of any kind of negative outcome for fertility and no evidence of increased risk to women of childbearing years.
COVID-19 does not discriminate by age or health status.
There is no predicting how severe a case someone will experience.
Unvaccinated people who were hospitalized or died didn't think it would happen to them.
we are a cohesive community.
The best way to ensure our health and safety is with one voice.
One voice.
One voice.
Cases are spiking in every state, in our relative cities. Let's not add Baltimore, Khalilah, to that list.
The best preparation to prepare ourselves for Rosh Hashanah is to look about our neighbors, our friends, our misparolim and the shuls.
Travel and celebrate the Yom Ne'roim responsibly. Get vaccinated now.
The Rabbinic has given us a gift, safe and effective vaccines.
It's easy and quick.
The Bikkur Cholim Clinic and Baltimore City Health Department clinics are convenient and accessible.
Go take the vaccine.
Get vaccinated.
Get vaccinated.
Get vaccinated now.
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 Be smart. Be responsible. Get vaccinated.
Thank you for heeding this call.
May we all have a sweet, happy, and healthy New Year, Be'ezus Hashem.
My dear and beloved Chevra, the Ribono Shalom has given us a gift, a very precious gift. It's called the COVID-19 vaccines.
Vaccines have allowed us to reopen
and to enjoy Simcha safely again.
With all of the data, we clearly see just how safe and effective these vaccines are for all populations,
including the elderly, those with underlying health conditions, and pregnant and nursing women.
Due to so many people being vaccinated, the number of hospitalizations and deaths decreased greatly since the vaccines were released.
But the numbers of COVID-19 cases are spiking again. And in New York, almost all deaths due to COVID-19 are in unvaccinated individuals.
Unvaccinated people die.
They die.
We haven't lived through enough. We should live in Europe 20 years, but Shingadog. For we in the community have to realize that if 99% of doctors say take the shot, we take the shot. What's the shiloh over here? Are we playing games?
The Torah says, "V'rapa yirape, mikan shenitein reshus l'roifa l'rapos." When it pertains to matters of health, you have to follow the doctors.
So let's all feel comfortable yet again, davening in shul, going back to yeshivas, Spotei Knesiyas, Spotim and Roshas.
Please take achrayus for your neighbor's health as well as your own. Nafshei Seichem is in the plural. When we take the vaccine, we're helping everybody, and that's a double mitzvah.
There is unfortunately a lot of misinformation circulating.
But it's important to know the truth.
After over a year of research, clinical trials, and the actual vaccines in use,
we see no evidence of any kind of negative outcomes for fertility and no evidence of increased risk to women of childbearing age.
We are a cohesive community.
And the very best way to ensure our health and safety is with one united, harmonious voice.
One voice.
One voice.
One voice. Gedolei Yisrael have urged us all to take the vaccine, and we need to follow in their footsteps.
Cases are spiking in every state.
Let's not add the 5 towns in New York City, Khalilah, to that list.
We want to celebrate the Yom Tovim responsibly.
Get
vaccinated now.
Get vaccinated now.
Get vaccinated now.
Right now.
Why are you still waiting? Please get vaccinated today. Let's do it as soon as we can.
Get vaccinated now.
Please get vaccinated.
Get vaccinated. Get it done. That's what the doctors and Rabbanim want us to do. Let's go.
Be smart. Be responsible. Get vaccinated.